Water pop. Here we go. Looking at some white oak big boards we're cutting here. We have 2 3/4 by 13.5 by 13 feet long. These are going to be the top rail in one of our dump trucks, and white oak, so it's going to last a real long time. Won't get chewed up like those treated pine boards that it usually has on top of those types of vehicles. Yeah, having fun. I love sawing big boards. It's just kind of easy. Yeah, it's pretty rewarding. Let's see here, 1, 2 more cuts and lunchtime. So here I go.